Hello and welcome to Group F22. Today we'll be looking at how to make your black and white image have a little bit of pop with adding some color. First we need to find an image. Go to File, Open, select your image, and hit Open. When your image opens, make sure that you do a non-destructive layer by going to your adjustments, selecting your black and white color mask. A properties panel will open up where you can change the contrast of your black and white image. Once you're satisfied with your edits, go ahead and close the properties panel, select layers, make sure that your mask is selected, going over to your paintbrush tool, and making sure your paintbrush foreground color is black. When you're done, make your way over to your layer. With black, you're going to paint in the color that you've selected. If you accidentally fill in a part of the image that you did not want to see in color, that's okay. What you'll do is make sure that you select white for your foreground color and just simply paint over that area. This will bring back the mask. When you're satisfied, make sure you're saving your image properly by going to File, Export, Export As. Make sure that you have JPEG selected, your quality set to 100, and export. Make sure that you name your image and save. Thanks for joining.